What's up, y'all? Beautiful babes. What's up? What's up? What's up? Listen, I am finally back to show y'all the office, my main office, that I put up the green wallpaper in. As you can see in the background, I am finito for the most part, except for little touch-ups that I see that I want to kind of make look a little bit more crisp. So, unfortunately, I had no way of lighting this place up without it being like glary and all of that, so I just dimmed the lights. So that's how it's gonna be today. But just to show you what it looks like, I want to first of all show y'all previously how my office has kind of transformed. I'm hoping I can get several pieces of footage where I've come in here and kind of reinvented the wheel several times. So I mean, that's just what I do. But today's reveal is more in tune of what I wanted it to be initially. You know, more classy, more grown up, more not as busy, since I do have two offices, one which is my beauty room, etc., that I could alleviate some of the garbage out of here and just keep this one a little bit more crisp. So let's take a look. And again, I'm still kind of cleaning up in here, so y'all don't pay attention to the garbage sitting around, okay? And my granddaughter hangs out in here as well. But what you're looking at right now is the door entrance from the kitchen. This used to be our dining room that we never dined in, okay? We did not eat in the dining room, y'all. How many family meals we sit down together and eat like that? No, we're in the living room around the TV in the den kicking back. That is it. But this is what it looks like now. So this is the wallpaper. It's a dark green, got it from Amazon. And this wall here pretty much stayed, you know, decor wise the same. This oriental plaque I got many years ago from a store that was here in Memphis. I can't remember the name of it. It was Oriental something. It might have been just Oriental. I don't know. But I've had it forever. And I also have like a little chest that came along with it, or I used to hang, you know, nearby it when I had the Oriental feel of the house, you know. But that's been 30 years ago, y'all. But I've had this just that long. But this is this wall. I had my nail polishes in here for the duration, but they were over in the other corner, and I just simply moved them over here. This bookcase almost didn't survive the move over to this side because she was leaning. So that is why she's kind of tucked away behind this other one that I just have a few little items on, you know, little decor items. And then I go into the stuff that I have to use on a regular, my DIY tools, etc., all of that. And again, nail stuff. This is just the green wallpaper that I used for this room. That is just some leftovers that I'm going to do, like I said, some cleanup edge kind of thing. And that is that corner, all nice and neat. Okay. So I think we're going to swing around to this side, the doorway that actually leads to our living room. Of course, again, this is a dining room, so it had two entrances to it. But what I have done is picked up all of my weights. They are still in here because I can use this floor for kind of a workout area, you know, when I want to do my stretches and so forth, that I plan on getting started on. Y'all, I have not completely indulged yet, okay? But I'm working on it. This was a great start. I got my weights all picked up, this little stand from Amazon. And y'all, these bookcases, I want to say came from Walmart so long ago. I've had them forever. If you've been around, you know. And over here, I have some little file drawers that I keep, you know, papers and extra, you know, rubber bands, pens, etc. That's an extra keyboard sitting over there. We got a nice little neon light, good vibes, baby. That's what I'm looking for. And over here almost looks like my little music corner, but it's just, you know, just how it got decorated, because I do keep my instruments over here and so forth. So yeah, but this is what it's looking like, y'all. I'm not going to go into every little detail about every single thing. If you have something that you want to know, where did you get it from? Let me know in the comments, and I'll be glad to, you know, spell it out for you a little bit more closer. And this is on to the other side here. That Sweet Angel sign, y'all, I got that a little while ago, y'all, a long time ago. I'll try to link what the company was that sent it to me. So nice. I love that. Y'all know it is a keeper. And over in that corner, few little items there on a little shelf stand. Yeah. But y'all, I hate to admit that I do still have some things over in a box in the corner here that I have to straighten up. Of course, Royal has her toys in here. And baby, she's got to have her desk. Okay, she's got to have her desk in here with Grandma. Okay, so we good. But this is my big, huge desk that I utilize for my work area, which is over here. I was sitting on this side of it. Now I've moved over here, but I have lots of storage underneath where I can keep things that just don't need to be out. You know, but of course I got lots of cords, lots of, you know, my mics, when I'm doing like a live, I get on the mic at the big mic, or if I'm doing a Zoom call, I'm on the big mic. But this is where, you know, I got a lot of my products that I've been checking out and reviewing on that liquid diet I've been working on, trying to get into it. I just got a package in from Tea Bloom. Amazing teas right here, y'all. We're going to be talking about that. But over here is just a wall of curtains that go all the way across. The window is not that big, but I wanted the illusion of it. But I still have to get some blackout curtains, which I got some on the ends there, but I've got to get some more for the midsection there to go ahead and black it all out. So this is what it looks like right now, y'all. And not only that, your girl did get a new rug in here. My granddaughter had basically destroyed my other rug. It's not destroyed, actually. You know, I've cleaned it up. I went ahead and got me some foam cleaner and vacuumed it up and made it look fresh again and put it in the other office I have. So that is basically it, y'all.
Woke up this morning, sunlight on my face, coffee brewing slow, kids laughing all over the place. Life can be crazy, time just slips away, but I won't let another moment.
Yeah, that's all she wrote. And I'm most excited about my fresh, clean backdrop when I'm doing especially sponsored content, that I can actually have a clean background, which is something that they do require in most cases. You know, they don't want you to be showing out any other products in the background. So that really has made a big difference. So I'm excited about that. And this overhead, y'all, fan works, but the light, I still have not found the proper light to go on this one. The light has gone out in the fan, but me, more than likely, I'm just going to replace the whole fan. I ain't got time to be running around looking for no light for this thing. I don't, but it's lasted for eons. But this is it. And again, my junky workstation, that's, again, I can do product reviews right on this side. I can work over here. I got my printer over there. I got supplies that I'm probably going to end up putting in the drawers and get it off the desk to kind of clear up some things. But this is it. I hope y'all like the new setup. Well, you know, same kind of setup, but basically a fresher, more modern, more classy kind of look, kind of vibe. So that is it, y'all. Okay, look at here. Okay. And I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.
Stand by their side, help them understand. Families alike when skies turn gray. So give love every day. We don't know the hour, we don't know the time, but love leaves a legacy, a sweet holy sign. So say